Bitcoin, its head and shoulders pattern is about to be breaking down, and in this exact video I will be talking about the Bitcoin head and shoulders price targets, and more importantly I will update you about my next trade on Bitcoin, because right now I am preparing for my $1 million Bitcoin trade that I will talk more about on today's update video. So make sure to watch this video till the end. I will talk about the price targets of Bitcoin, I will talk about this important level of support, the price targets, and much more important stuff. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's update video. Can we once again smash it back above 700 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And if I am looking at the image short term, we can see after we broke down of the rising wedge pattern we've talked about, we've seen a significant continuation towards the downside. And actually, if you're looking at the 4-hourly time frame, ever since we broke the upward sloping support line, we have seen a significant continuation towards the downside. And right now as well, officially on the 4-hourly time frame, we are creating a lower low, what is definitely very dangerous. This lower low on the 4-hourly time frame could be a confirmation of the trend that really is reversing for Bitcoin right now. And if I will be looking at my price target, first of all, of the symmetrical triangle, we do know that the price target for Bitcoin is somewhere around 26.4k, what is still quite significantly below us. And to be exactly clear, the price target is going to be another 5% towards the downside. So that is quite significant. And yes, there could still be more downside for Bitcoin to come. And really where we'll be looking at is basically this important level of support, because on the 4-hourly time frame, you can literally see every single time Bitcoin comes back towards $27,000, it basically finds some support around there. But currently the problem is that we're creating this left move right here, this head structure right here, and this right shoulder right here, what means that basically right now, first we were in a gaining momentum structure, and now we're in a losing momentum structure, and we're retesting the same support level. And if you've got any experience with trading assets, you do know that this is a quite of a bearish structure that we're currently seeing. So if Bitcoin does really breaks down here below this very important box of $27,000, I really think we could see a significant dump happening. And to be exact, my price target of this dump will be measured from the head and shoulders pattern itself. On the 12-hour time frame, we can clearly see that Bitcoin has been creating a very beautiful upward sloping support line, and every single time we touched it, we basically bounced from off this level. But right now we're creating, of course, that lower high structure, we're creating that left shoulder, we're creating the head and the right shoulder right now. And like I've said for quite a while, as soon as we do break below this very important level of support, that would be the point where I would really start to worry to potentially see Bitcoin go lower. And if you're measuring the price target of the head and shoulders pattern, you can see that the Bitcoin price target is somewhere around $24,000. So that is a significant movement towards the downside, and that is of course, yeah, quite a big of a drop here if we're going to be seeing that here. So I'm going to keep my eyes wide open on that one. The price target is $24,000, and what is very fun is that if you're going to be looking at the VPVR and basically the daily support, you can see daily support is $27,000, so the level we're currently trading on. And if we do break below, there's almost no volume until we're going to reach $24,000. So yeah, the $24,000 target does really make a lot of sense for me, and that is why I also will open up a gigantic long position on the $24,000, because $24,000 is exactly this level right here of previous very big resistance. And due to that, I think Bitcoin is going to be bouncing from off this level. And you can also clearly see that there's a lot of volume support somewhere around that $24,000 barrier. If Bitcoin comes down, if Bitcoin breaks below that $27,000, I will be expecting there's going to be a significant continuation towards the downside. And the targets where I would really start to be opening up my next long positions for Bitcoin is somewhere around $24,000. Currently, I've been in a short position. I opened this short position in a live stream on my trade. I've opened up this short position on a live stream quite a while ago here, and currently I am still in this trade here, making about $3,000. Not a very big trade here, but to be very clear, I'm going to take some profits on this trade as Bitcoin continues to go down here. Right now, of course, we're trading on very important support, so it does make sense to take some profits off the table. But if we confirm the break below this level, I'm definitely going to ride this trade a little bit lower, of course. And for me to really talk about my $1 million trade, I am willing to deploy more than $1 million in capital to long Bitcoin and Ethereum around the 24,000 US dollars. So that is still my strategy. That is still what I will be doing. And I'm expecting to make a ton of money by trading Bitcoin around the 24,000 US dollars. So make sure to get ready for that. I would be looking to do that. So if you're interested in following my trades, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date about that. And if you're interested in trading yourself, don't forget to check out Bybit or Bitget in the link in the description. Bybit, you need to do KYC. Bitget, you do not need to do KYC. And you can, of course, claim an additional deposit bonus by signing up an account using the link in the description right now. So furthermore, we can actually see that Bitcoin on the daily time frame is creating a beautiful symmetrical triangle. And just like the support on the 12-hour time frame, we have so far not broken below it. And as long as we're not doing that, I'm not really expecting we are necessarily going to be having that drop here. Of course, on the daily time frame, we can see that we're trading around very important support right now. And on the daily time frame right here, you can also clearly see there is really a loss of momentum for Bitcoin right now. And basically what we can clearly see is that Bitcoin is creating a gigantic consolidation phase. So there could be a very big potential scenario where Bitcoin is going to bounce back, come down, bounce back, and basically consolidate till the end of May. So yeah, we just have to wait and see how it's going to be playing out here. But once Bitcoin breaks out of this symmetrical triangle, we're going to see an insane move for Bitcoin. And there's just one thing for sure, that there's going to be a lot of volatility once we either break below support or once we either break above resistance. So it's going to be two big trading opportunities that are coming up for us right now to catch this next big move here. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now to, of course, stay up to date when we do break out, and to stay up to date about what I will be doing with my next trade here, because I've got a lot of capital ready to deploy right now for my next gigantic Bitcoin trade. Further on, we can actually see that on the 5-day time frame, Bitcoin is about to be having a bearish crossover happening for the first time ever in an approximately 285 days. So make sure to keep your eyes wide open on that one. But Bitcoin is going to be having a bearish cross, and that could be potentially a very bearish thing for Bitcoin on the immature term. And maybe the momentum of this move towards the upside could be drying up, and we could see a small little reversal towards the downside before potentially coming back up again, probably after the summer, in my opinion. Then still going to say it, I've said it for quite a while. Many people said Bitcoin broke already above its resistance, but to be very clear, Bitcoin will only break above resistance when we clear the 31.7k. That is the most important level on the weekly time frame. So Bitcoin so far has not broken bullish yet here. We're still consolidating below resistance. That is usually considered quite bullish, but I will be very bullish on Bitcoin once we do break above 31.7k. So all eyes on that level. Once we do break it, you will be the first one to know on the channel. So don't you worry. As long as you subscribe to the channel, you will exactly know when Bitcoin will be breaking bullish on that weekly time frame. Then at the same time, of course, meme coins are exploding here. And we can see that Pepe has actually been dumping quite significantly. And right now it's been bouncing a little bit from support. But Pepe is a coin, a meme coin, and has been absolutely exploding. But currently it's down more than 65% here. So be careful with trading meme coins here, guys. But still, yeah, if you want to be trading meme coins, I mean, I'm personally still doing it, and I've made a ton of money from it. The last day I've been losing a little bit of money due to this small little dip here, but I'm still buying more in towards some other smaller meme coins, because I do think we could still see a potential bounce before, yeah, potentially coming down again here. Because yes, meme coins are not investment vehicles, and to be very clear, I do not think that meme coins are good long-term investments, but on the short term you could make some very good money from it. So you can also trade Pepe. So if you think you can trade this meme coin, make sure to go to Bybit, because you can trade it over there as well. The meme coins are absolutely fun to trade here. I think usually if you're looking at topping cycles for meme coins and just from altcoins in general, you get 3 big moves, and right now we've got 2 big moves here. I think there's going to be another move, maybe potentially back to the all-time high before coming down again. So I still think there's a little bit more steam left in meme coins, so that's why I'm still buying some smaller meme coins like Pepe as well. This one is actually bouncing right now here. It's trading around $5 million US in market cap here. It's quite low in market cap, but I like to trade these meme coins. I've been doing it for quite a while right now here, and actually with this one I've been buying a lot around this bottom region right here, because I think it's going to be bottoming anytime soon, and I heard some information about some potential listings coming up, so that could pump this coin potentially as well. So yeah, make sure to do your own research, but trading meme coins is definitely very interesting here, while Bitcoin is of course going quite sideways. Of course, I will be still keep trading Bitcoin here. Once we do break down here, I'm going to be opening up a significant short position. Once we do hit the $24,000 barrier, I'm going to be opening up a big long position. So subscribe to the channel to stay up to date about that. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.